and this is a quick rundown of the bounding box. So right away, off to the side, you can see the WASD camera script is attached to this camera. This provides constraints for the camera movement utilizing the bounding box backend. These can be dragged and dropped. And you see it'll automatically move the camera around to be within the bounds. It can be lightly customized. Fill color, outline color, and the text color to suit your needs. The properties can be edited directly, and the center point can be shifted around. Reset's simple.